guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox disconnected error code 279 failed to connect to the game. ID 17 connection attempt failed. So first of all you have to check your internet connection. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just check the Wi-Fi router indicators and check your fiber cable. And if you are using the mobile data, then you have to just reset your internet setting. Then you have to just click on the reset option and now click on the reset network settings here. After that you have to just click on the reset settings and then click on the reset, and then you have to just open your mobile settings and then click on the apps management here and then click on the app settings and now search here for your Roblox. Tap to open it. Now you have to just click on the storage and the cache and tap on the clear storage and then press OK. After doing so, you have to just move back and now click on the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and tap to turn on this option here. After doing so, you have to just minimize this window and now try to log into your Roblox account, and this time you will be successfully log into your account. Like, just put here your login details and then press login. So by using this method, your error code 279 will be successfully fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.